Here I'm going to show how we can transfer a BIM 360 project to ACC with Naviate Nebula. Navigate the tree here, find the files that I need to transfer. Then add them to the transfer. I have the ability to calculate their size. When we add it to the transfer, we can then select the destination We're picking an ACC project now. We're going to place it into the project files folder. We can decide to include versions, as well as either flatten the folder structure or maintain the folder structure. So we're going to go ahead and include the versions and keep the folder structure. We're going to go ahead and transfer that now. I'm going to choose where my data will be located. So I can choose the Symetri EU location for temporary storage. Notice the combined size that is being transferred includes all of the versions of some of the Revit models that were selected for transfer. Now we can review the log information. And you can see all the versions, all 12 versions of this file were transferred. Version 1 and 2 and version 1 of this other model. The sizes of each of those, their source location, their source path, the source and destination information, and the duration, how long did it take. These transfers can also be scheduled, and if you do exceed your data limit, they will be held in the size exceeded area. You can always check your available data by checking up here available data in the top right associated with your user.